Welcome to the best picks. The best Ford F-150 backup camera is probably one of the most important safety features for your truck, significantly improving visibility and reducing the risk of accidents when reversing, especially in tight spaces or with limited visibility. This in-depth review will cover everything you need to know about choosing and installing the right backup camera system for your Ford F-150, from exploring different features and functionalities to addressing common installation challenges and ensuring optimal performance. Number 5. WOLFBOX G840S Mirror Dash Cam. Experience breathtaking detail with its 4K UHD front camera and 1080p rear camera. The large 12-inch display drastically reduces blind spots, improving safety. It boasts a wide field of view from both front and rear cameras, minimizing blind spots. The split-screen function lets you monitor both simultaneously. This dash cam excels in low-light conditions. Advanced technology ensures clear images, day or night, even in challenging lighting. The built-in GPS accurately records your location. Easily review your journeys and driving data with precision. It provides continuous surveillance of your vehicle, even when parked. Time-lapse recording conserves power and storage, hardware kit required. Enjoy reliable performance with the upgraded USB-C port and added features like streaming media, adjustable viewing angles, and G-sensor recording. What we like. It boasts a stunning 4K UHD resolution for exceptional clarity and a massive 12 screen to minimize blind spots. Its superior night vision ensures safety even in low-light conditions. If you prioritize image quality and a large viewing area, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The 12-view display is very sharp and clear, the wide-angle lenses show everything and more, the GPS is accurate, and the rear-facing camera works very well, especially if you hook up the wire to the backup light so the unit displays the adjustable backup lines. Very useful in parking lots. Video image quality is crisp and clear given that it's 4K UHD. The cameras, both front and rear, function very well. Larger than your standard rear view mirror size. Relatively easy to install, videos with good quality. Number 4. AUTO-VOX CS2 Wireless Backup Camera. It boasts a PC1058 sensor, delivering vivid and stable images, even at night. See clearly what's behind your vehicle, regardless of lighting conditions. Installation is a breeze. Simply connect it to your cigarette lighter and reverse lamp. You'll be backing up safely in minutes. With 2.4G wireless technology, it provides a stable image up to 33 feet, free from interference. Enjoy reliable performance in your van, SUV, truck, or trailer. The adjustable parking lines help you maneuver into tight spots with ease. Customize them to perfectly fit your vehicle, or turn them off if you prefer. Rated IP68 waterproof, it can handle rain, fog, and more. No more blurry images or white screens in bad weather. It offers a flippable image, switching between mirror and facing views. The 110-degree viewing angle provides excellent visibility. We're committed to your satisfaction. Enjoy our top-notch customer service, tech support, and an 18-month replacement service. What we like. This camera's wireless design makes installation a breeze, and its stable digital signal ensures a clear image without interference. It's perfect for a quick and easy upgrade. If you value convenience and a hassle-free setup, this is the one for you. What people say. Installation was pretty simple. The biggest hassle was removing all of the plastic panels on the inside of the back hatch. Once the brake circuit was exposed, connection was easy. So far the camera is working perfectly. I am particularly impressed with the quality of the night vision. The install on my Chevy PU was a snap and took less than an hour to perform. I mounted the camera on the top of my license plate centered over the receiver ball, ran the power lead behind the plate, tied to a wiring run behind the bumper and into the driver's side tail light assembly. There was plenty of room in the light to connect to the backup light circuit and Velcro mount the antenna. I opted for operation only when in reverse. The screen is clear and bright with very little digital wireless jitter while moving. The camera is adjustable and the signal carries very well from the back of my 20-foot camper van. Number 3. AUTO-VOX T2 Rearview Mirror Camera. It's easy to install, just connect it to your reverse lamp. No need to use your car charger, keeping it clutter-free. It seamlessly replaces your existing mirror. The bracket mount ensures a firm, elegant look that integrates perfectly with your vehicle. With 6 bright LEDs, it automatically adjusts to light conditions. See clearly, even at night, identifying license plates and road details. Enjoy a wired connection for a strong, lag-free signal. Experience a crisp, clear image without flicker. Completely sealed and built tough, it's protected from rain and car washes. It will remain fog-free. It's compatible with various vehicles, including sedans, vans, trucks, and SUVs. An extension cable is available for larger vehicles. What we like. It seamlessly integrates into your vehicle's existing system, offering a clean and elegant look. The wired connection provides a stable and reliable signal. If you want a factory-like appearance and a strong, consistent image, this is ideal. What people say. Looks professional. Canada image is great. This kit comes with an extension harness for pickup trucks etc. You do not need to buy a separate harness. Works really nice. It is much nicer appearing, and a snap to install, relatively. Mostly, it's a matter of removing a bunch of plastic panels in the rear cargo area to fish the wire through. Unlike many other systems, it gets both power and turn-on signal from the backup light, so there's no running separate power wires to the front or tapping into fuses or things like that. Just tap the 2 wires from the camera into the backup light wiring, easy, red is red and black is black, plug the signal cable in and run it up to the mirror. Which, by the way, is slightly bigger than the OEM mirror, not a bad thing at all. It makes the installation go much faster and easier. Installation was very easy and I am particularly pleased with the rearview mirror, different bracket supplies for different vehicles. It is well built and actually looks almost identical to the stock mirror. I have not experienced any vibration. The picture is crisp. Number 2. Red Wolf Tailgate Camera. This innovative camera seamlessly integrates into your Ford truck's tailgate handle, providing a convenient and discreet backup solution. It's designed as a direct replacement for select Ford F150, F250, F350, F450, and F550 models, as well as some Explorer Sport Track and Lincoln Mark LT vehicles. Easily customize your parking experience with the on-off switch for adjustable guidelines. No wire cutting is needed, simply remove or insert the small black block. It boasts advanced technology, including a 150 degrees wide-angle lens and impressive low-light sensitivity for crystal-clear visibility, even in challenging conditions. Installation is a breeze. It replaces your existing tailgate handle without any drilling required. The included RCA connector ensures compatibility with most aftermarket systems. Everything you need is included: the camera, an 8-meter RCA cable, and easy-to-follow instructions. The cable provides ample reach to connect to your preferred display. What we like. It's a direct replacement for your existing tailgate handle, making installation simple. The adjustable guidelines help you park with precision. If you need a straightforward upgrade with precise parking assistance, this is your best option. What people say. The picture is clear and makes trailering and backing up a cinch. This camera came with everything needed. It had plenty of wiring from the tailgate to the truck dash. Wire also came in a plastic protector. Installation was easy, as was the handle. All works great with a nice clear picture. The image is fine on my JVC head unit. Plenty of wire for my 2007 F150. It seems like it would have worked on my longer bed 252. Number 1. Rear-view camera for 150,250,350,450,550. This isn't just a camera, it's your new set of eyes on the road. Enjoy peace of mind with its crystal-clear image, even at night. See clearly, even in low-light conditions. It provides enhanced visibility for safer parking, day or night. It's designed to seamlessly integrate with your truck's existing system. Installation is straightforward, maintaining your vehicle's original look. Built to last, it's waterproof and durable. Enjoy reliable performance for years to come. This camera comes with all the necessary wiring and connectors for a simple installation. You'll be backing up safely in no time. The parking assist lines make parking easier and safer. You can easily turn them on or off as needed. We stand behind our product. If anything is missing or defective, we'll replace it immediately. What we like. This camera offers a wide viewing angle and excellent night vision for enhanced safety. Installation is straightforward, and it maintains the original car style. If you're looking for a reliable and easy-to-install upgrade, this is a great choice. What people say. It fits perfectly, so you can't even tell it's not the original. Great camera angle, I didn't need to adjust anything, which was cool. I can actually see both sides of my rear bumper, which helps when parallel parking. There is plenty of wire. The cabling is designed in such a way to allow for flexible installation options. The camera is angled in such a way as to allow visibility of the bumper, which is very helpful. The cabling is already wrapped in a wire loom, which makes installation much easier and more reliable. Good picture and positioned correctly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.